through same account? Malak and Mana. Okay. Saima online, Andrea, Saima, Shasha, Amani, and Alia. Shall we start, students? Shall we start? Okay, I told you all to go through this chapter. Inverse, direct and inverse. All of you will remember arrow method, all these questions. Yeah, which one you all have doubt? In which question? I've I didn't skip anything. I've done all the questions for all the questions. All of you have notes? Notes? How to solve? Shall we skip this? Will you all try it on your own? I told you all to revise. Nobody has doubt in this? No doubts. Okay. We'll start profit, loss, and discount then. We'll start with profit, loss, discount. Okay. First, we'll start off with section C, students. 7C. 7C has only 4 or 5 questions. It is easy to solve. We'll start with this. Remember discount concept? All of you remember discount? Discount. Okay. Now, from the beginning, another 5 to 10 minutes, I'll just quickly go through all the formulas for profit, loss, and discount. So, cost price, you'll know, selling price, you'll know. What is gain, students? Gain is equals to SP minus. Okay, what is gain percent? Given by CP into 100%. Very good. In the same way, what is loss? SPP minus SP. Very good. Loss percent. Loss divided by 100. This is when gain is given. When direct gain is given, for example, gain is rupees value, rupees 10. We use this formula. When loss is given, loss is equals to rupees 20. We use this formula. Apart from this, students, apart from this, when gain percent is given, remember there's two formulas, direct formulas. When gain percent and loss percent is given, gain percent, loss percent. For selling price, what's the formula? 100 plus gain percent divided by 100 into cost, right? And for loss, what is selling price formula for loss? 100 minus loss percent divided by 100 into cost price. See, cost price, right? Next, tell me for cost price, what's the direct formula for cost price? Reciprocate the value, 100 divided by very good, gain percent into cost price. Next, when loss is given, Shasha, Alia, do you all remember this? Use this formula, students. 100 divided by 100 minus loss percent into selling price. Yeah, look at this. This is when gain percent and loss percent is given, student. Percentage is given. Look here, percentage. So don't get confused. When rupees is given, use the left hand side formula. When percentage is given, right hand side formula. Right? Then we have discount. Discount concept. D stands for discount. Remember the word football players, cricketer's name I told you all? What is the word I told? M? Yes, very good. MSD. MS Dhoni. That is how I told you all to remember. See, all of you are able to tell. What is M in this? M is the mark price. Mark price. S stands for selling price. D stands for discount. This formula, when do we use this formula, students? When all the three are given in rupees value. When all three are given in what? In rupees. When any one is given in percentage. If any one is given in percentage, look here, marked price. If you want to find marked price, discount percentage will be given. Marked price, we use this formula. Same formula, 100 divided by 100. Instead of minus loss, minus discount percent. Minus discount percent into selling price. Is it clear? Right? For selling price, we use this formula. Whenever discount is given, what do you do? 100. Instead of L, what do you put here? Instead of minus L, you put minus D divided by 100 into, instead of selling price, what should I put, students? For mark price, I should put MP. Is it clear? All of you understood? Respond. Yeah, make a note of this. Then discount percent formula, direct formula for discount percent is D divided by mark price into 100. Make a note of this. Yeah, just take a screenshot or make a note. I'll give you 5 minutes time. Will all of you will go through this formula? All of you understood what these formulas are? When we start solving the question, I'll just be telling rupees students. When rupees is given, what formula we use? So left hand side, whatever I've written, all the left hand side is for rupees calculation. All the left hand side part. Then this pink line. After the pink line, right hand side is everything is for percentage. When percentage is given, we write that. Okay, I'll give 5 minutes time. Go through. Take your time and go through. If you have any doubts, let me know. Especially this mark price. After the yellow line, look at after the yellow line. Go through that carefully. D percent, SP, MP, all those things. Students done? Completed? Any doubts? The formulas? How to solve? All of you understood? Shall we start solving? Okay. See, I want you all to become thorough with formulas. Without that, it would be too confusing. Okay. So rupees formulas are fine. Now tell me percentage formula for selling price. What is percentage formula? If gain is given 100 plus, respond all of you. Gain divided by 100 into what's the opposite of this? Cost. Cost price. When loss is given, what's the formula? 100 minus loss divided by 100 into cost price. I want all of you to respond. Please unmute and respond. For gain, what do we do? Add or subtract for gain? What usually gain is, students? Gain meaning is addition or subtraction. When you gain something, addition. That's the reason plus. For loss it is subtraction. In the same way, cost price. Yeah, tell me cost price. Cost price is just the opposite of this. 100 divided by 100 plus gain percent into selling price. Next, if loss is given, 100 divided by loss in CP. Next, this is only when do we use this formula, students? When do we use this formula? When selling price and cost price is given, correct? When selling price and cost price. Next concept, when selling price, mark price, discount is given. When these three words are given in the question, what is selling price formula? Do we add or subtract for discount? Do we add or subtract for discount? What is discount meaning? Discount meaning is reducing, right? Reducing. So which formula I have to use? In selling price, first formula or second formula? For selling price, we have two formulas. Which one should I use? I have to use the second one, right? Yes. Instead of L, what should I put? Instead of L, I should put D percent. Instead of cost price, what should I multiply? Instead of cost price, mark price. That's it. Simple. Is it clear? Now mark price, students. Opposite of this is mark price. Let's just reciprocate the value. What will you get? 100 divided by 100 minus into selling price. Okay. So thorough with the formulas. Shall we start solving? Formulas are very important. Let them give any question, you'll be able to solve. If you know the formulas, it is very simple. Look at this. We'll start from the reverse now. We'll start from the third exercise. Why, I could hear only one or two students answering. What about others? Are you all feeling sleepy? While are dull students feeling sleepy? Alia, Amani, Shasha, Kashika. Why no response, students? After the school, after exam, what did you all do? After exam, did you all sleep? Afternoon? No? See, after exam, once you'll reach home, students. Okay, once you'll reach at least half an hour or 1 hour, you'll have to sleep. If not, now I can see the way you all are answering, too dull. I don't know whether you all will concentrate. What time your school left? 12:30, right? 12:30. I started at 3:30. So the thing is, after the school, not only for math students, for any subject, once you'll complete the test, should take at least half an hour or 1 hour nap. 1 hour sleep will be proper. After that, you can concentrate. Your concentration level will increase. Okay, if not, you'll still feel sleepy. You won't be able to concentrate. That's the reason you're not answering. Okay, I want all of you to answer. Shall we start? Shall we start solving? Okay, fine. Look at the first question, students. What is given? The mark price of refrigerator. Percentage is given or rupees is given? Yes, just respond. Tell me what are the values I'm asking data. Mark price is how much? Mark price is first question 7C. We are solving the 7C first question. 16450. The shopkeeper offers an off-season discount. Discount is given in rupees or percentage. What is discount percentage? Yes. So if they give discount percentage or rate of discount, the meaning of rate of discount is also discount percentage. Remember this. Whenever they give rate of discount, it is discount percentage. Fine. So see, if you know all the concept, it is similar to fill in the blank, students. You have to just fill up. That's it. You fill, you solve, you'll get the answer. D%. What do we need to find here? We need to find. Yes. What is the formula for selling price? SP is equals to 100. When discount is given, do you add or subtract? Subtract. Minus D% divided by 100 into. That's it. 100 minus 16 divided by 100 into 16450. What is 100 minus 16? I'll solve. 84 divided by 100 into 16450. Is this clear? All of you understood? Yeah. Let me give it for test. Reduce it. 5 2s are 5 3s are 15. 5 2s are 10. 9. Continue from here. Complete it. Right? 2 1s are 2. 41. Fine. If you multiply this, you'll get the answer. Do you have the answers in the text? Do you have the textbook? Yes. Ah, very good. Very good. To check your, I wrote 41. What's the answer? It should be. So what's the answer? 42 into. What's the answer? Is it correct? Answer 13,818. In the textbook, Alia, it is 13,818. See, so simple it is. Discount was given in percentage, we use percentage formula. If discount is given in rupees, use rupees formula. Shall we try the next one? Next. Okay, all tell me all the data, students. All the data, what is given. The price of a sweater was slashed down. What do you mean by slash down? Increase or decrease? Down. Down. Very good. So the price was slashed down by a shopkeeper. From how much starting? What was the price? Okay. Which chapter, which topic is this? How will you identify? Is it cost price, selling price topic or discount topic? How will you identify? Look at the entire question and tell me. Which topic is this? In the second part, what is given? Find the respond all of it. What do you mean by rate of discount, students? They are asking to find discount percentage, right? D%. Okay, D%. So this comes under, if you want to find discount percent, what are the three topics we have? What is the cricketer's name I told you? MSD, right? So you need mark price, selling price and discount. These are the three things. Okay, now they asked us to find the discount percentage. What is discount percentage formula? Tell me discount percentage. D divided by response, students. Just now I gave all the formula. Discount divided by, very good, into 100%. So we need to find the discount here, right? We need to find discount. So discount is not given. Discount is what we need to find. Now tell me the data. What is given? What is 850, students? Is it mark price or selling price? Think and answer it. 850 is given. 731 is given. Which is greater? Which is greater? 850. So whichever is greater will be mark price or selling price if the price is slashed down. Respond. Mark price is how much? What is mark price? Mark price is 850. After reducing, for how much is the shopkeeper selling it? After reducing it, selling it to 731. Is this clear? Understood all of you? Okay. Find the discount rate of discount given, student. Look here. Discount percent, D percent is equals to, discount is not given, we'll find. Mark price value is 850 into 100. Okay, now I need to find discount, students. Do we need to find discount, right? We need to find discount now to substitute. We need to find discount or discount percentage or rupees. Tell me what is discount? Rupees, right? Rupees. Okay, what is the formula we use? Where rupees is given mark price, selling price, discount. What is the cricketer's name I told? MSD, right? M is equals to, respond. M is equals to S plus T. What is M value? 850. Yeah, you all don't write mark price, you all don't write MSD, they'll reduce marks. Write full, students, write the full words. What you'll have to write? Mark price is equals to selling price plus dis-. Yes. Don't write MSD there, write the full word. Mark price. What is mark price? 850. What is selling price? Okay, if you want to find discount, which one goes to the other side? So what is discount value? 850 minus. Calculate this. Calculate and substitute your, finish this. Any doubts in this question? All of you will respond, students. Any doubts? No. Okay. Complete this. Be quick. There are another two exercises left. Okay, completed calculation. What's the answer, students? What did you get? 850, 190. 0 and 0 gets cancelled. 5 twos are 5. How many times? 17. How many times 17 goes? Not 7, 4. Not 4, 7 times, right? Okay, fine, 7. So D percent is equals to 7 twos are. What's the answer? 14%. Check the answer. Is it correct? Understood? Yes, students, respond. Is it correct? 130, 1. Okay, 69 plus 69 plus 50, 119. Okay, 119. Correct. D percent. This is how you solve. So whenever a question is given, this is known as data, right? Mark price, selling price, value. We need to find discount percent. Write the formula. In this discount percent, we need discount is missing. Use this formula. See, everything is step by step. Use this. Find the value of discount. Okay. Be quick, students. Tell me the third one. What do we need to find? Find the rate of discount. Whenever rate is given, is it discount in rupees or percentage? Third question. Percentage. Very good. We need to find discount percent. A mini toy gun whose selling price. What is selling price? 345. After deducting a discount is given in rupees or percentage? Rupees 30. What do we need to find here? Oh yes, we need to find the no. We need to find discount percentage, right? They've given find the rate of discount. Selling price is given, discount is given on its what is given on its mark price. See, just ignore about that. We just need these three things. How do you find discount percent? What's the formula, students? Discount percent is equals to respond. Only if you'll respond, you will understand what is discount percent formula. Discount divided by very good into 100%. Okay. In this, what are the things given? Discount percent. Is discount value given? Rupees value. What is it? 30. Is mark price given? No. We need to find mark price, right? Okay. We need to find mark price. What is the formula, students? What is the formula here? Is it to, don't tell me minus plus. What's the formula I told you all? MP is equals to SP plus D. Very good. D. There is no minus here. Oh, somebody is telling minus. MSD. Look here. MSD. MS equals to S plus D. Fine. In this, what is required? We need to find MP. MP is not given. I'll keep as it is. What is SP value given? Be quick, student. SP is 340 plus. What is discount? 30. What is mark price? Tell me. Mark price is 3. Okay. We solved this, students. Did I check the question again? Did I look at the question? No, right? So what are the three things required here? The data. If you'll have the data, it is enough for us to solve. All of you understood how to solve such questions? The discount percentage is given discount. Complete it. 375. Reduce it, you'll get the answer. Okay, you'll get it in decimal, students. You'll get this in decimal. Yeah, do one thing, don't copy, try it. Look at the question and try. All of you look at the question and try. And I have few previous year question. Let me check. Not in decimal? Oh, completed student, then check. Let me, all of you will solve it. The students done, completed all of you. Done? Okay. What's the answer? What did you all get? 8%. 5 goes 20 times. 5 goes 75. Again 5 goes 15 times. 1 and 2, 4, 8%. Yeah, you get 8%. All of you got 8%. 8% as the answer, students. Done? Shall we try the next one? Okay, look at this was last year. Last year final exam paper. Fine, final exam. Okay, can you see question 3 second one? All of you, question 3 second one, what is given, students? This question 3, question 3 third question. By selling an article for how much? Respond, all of you. Yeah, this is 4 marks question. Look how simple. If you know all the topics, it is very easy to score 4 marks. Look at this, 4 marks. By selling an article, if you're selling it, what should I take it as? Selling price or cost price? 900. A man gains how much? Gain percentage? No, no, third main, 20%, right? Find its what? You have to find it is cost price and gain. Let us find cost price and gain, students. If selling price is gain is given, what is cost price formula? 100 divided by, very good, 100 plus gain percent into selling. Yeah, not 100 into selling price. Remember, selling price. How do you solve this? 100 divided by 100 plus 20 is 120. What's the answer? How many times it gets cancelled? 10 and 10 gets cancelled, right? 10. Next. How many times 12 goes, students? 12. 2 6 are 2. 45. Next. 2 3s are. How many times 2 goes in 100? 20. 3 1s are. 3 how many times? 15. What are the two values left? Cost price is equals to 20 into 15 is, how much is 20 into 15? What is 15 twos are? 300. Understood, all of you all? Till here, did you understand? No, no, we have gone wrong. We have gone wrong in calculation. Just a minute. Okay, we'll do it once again. 100 divided by 120 into 900. 10 and 10 gets cancelled. How many times 2 goes? 2 6 are here. How many times? 45. 2 3s are. 2 50s are. 3 1s are. 3 15s are. So we have 50 into 15. Cost price is equals to 50 into 15. 50 into 15 will give you 750. Right? Can you see we have cost price and selling price value now? Got the answer? What is cost price? 750. How do you find gain, students? How do you find gain? What is gain formula? Gain is equals to, no, 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 not selling. Is correct, correct. Selling price minus cost price. What's the answer? 900 minus 750. The answer is rupees 150. Is it easy or tough to solve such question? Response, students. Is it easy or tough? It's so easy. If you understand the concept, that is how they're going to give. It is for 4 marks. I've taught you all the concept. I've taught everything step by step. Do it slowly, you'll get the answer. Look, 4 is the answer. 150. 4 marks question. I'll share this paper later. I'll share it later, okay? I'm just showing you all what type of questions they give. All of you will remember area perimeter concept? Area perimeter. Look at this question. The perimeter of rectangle is how much, students? What is perimeter of rectangle value given? Question 5b, 46 meter. Length is equals to 15. What do we need to find? Breadth, area and diagonal. These are how many marks question is this? This question is for 3 marks, right? This question is for 3 marks. Look, I'll tell you how to solve this. I think you all know how to solve. Perimeter is given, length and breadth. If perimeter is given, use perimeter formula. What is perimeter of rectangle? 2 into L plus B. What is perimeter value? 46. What is length? 15. Breadth is not given. Right? How do you solve 15 plus B? Keep this as it is. What happens to 2? It is multiplied. If it goes to the other side, it becomes division. 2 ones are 2, 23s are. What happens to 15 if it goes to the other side? Plus minus 23 minus 15. The answer is 8. What is breadth? B is equals to 8. What is area formula? Length into breadth. 15 into 8. What is diagonal formula? L square plus B square. Within 2 minutes, you can complete one question because I've made you all solve so many questions. All this you have completed. Only revision is pending. Once you revise, it is very easy to solve, students. They're giving all easy questions. Look here. 3 marks. Okay. Look at the next one. Find the square letter. All this. It's not there for your exam. Okay. This one. Most important one. Can you see question C? Question 7C. Respond all of you all. Question 7. How many marks is this for, students? How many marks? Look at this. How many marks? The last question is for 3 or 4. 4 marks. A, B, C, 3 questions. A is for 3 marks, B is for 3, C is for 4. What is given in the fourth question? By selling an article for 810. If selling is given, what should I take? ST is equals to 10. A man loses. Loss is given in rupees or percentage? Percentage. What is loss percent? 10%. What do we need to find here? Cost price. When loss percent is given, what is cost price formula? Just now we solved one question. 100 divided by minus L or plus L for loss. Minus into selling price. 100 divided by 100 minus 10 is 90. 90 into 810. Isn't it easy to calculate? Right? How many times 9 goes in 81? 9 ones are 9. What's the answer? 900. That's it. 900 is the answer. What else is asked? Also, at what price he should sell it to gain? See, cost price we got 900. What is the second part of the question asked? Also, at what price he should sell. So, what do we need to find here, students? What do you need to find? Sell meaning is what? Selling price or cost price? Selling price. So this is second part of question. Take the same cost price. We need to find selling price. What is gain percent given? Gain percentage. Now write the formula again. If gain percent is given, what is selling price formula? 100 plus divided by 100 into cost price. So that is equals to 108 divided by 100 into 900. Two zeros gets cancelled. Isn't it easy to solve? Right? We still didn't start this. Yeah, we'll be revising it now. We still didn't start. I'm just showing you all the way your teacher said the paper and the way we practiced. Okay, we have solved all tough questions. All these are very simple questions. This was given for 4 marks. Then what else you have? Can you see one inverse, direct and inverse question in the 8th main? All of you all, direct and inverse. Look at the eighth main students. Eighth main, which question is direct and inverse? In the eighth main, can you figure out the question? See second. See, as soon as you all saw the question, you're able to tell me. C main, second one. Okay. First one is percentage. This one, simple interest. We'll do it tomorrow. Second one, 78 men. What should I write here? Men and next one I have to write days. 78 men can do a work in how many days? 140. In how many days will 42 men write? Where should I put 42? In the men column, right? And days should be X. Now forget about the question. Just read this and complete. Read. How many men are required? 72 men are required to complete a work in how many days, students? 140 days. So 72 to complete a work. This work you can take anything. Let us take constructing a house. This is how you have to think. If not, you will not understand the question. So 72 men or 72 students take 140 days to construct house. If less men are there, will they take more days or less days to construct the house? They'll take more days, right? Yes. 78 students were there. They took 140 days to construct. And some students have gone for vacation. Only 42 days students are there. So definitely they will take more than 140, right? More than 140. So number of days will increase or decrease? Number of days will increase. What about number of men decreasing or increasing from 78 to 42? It is inverse or direct variation if both are different. Very good. Inverse variation. Where is X? Left hand side or right hand side? Right hand side. Wherever X is given, arrow should be X is down or top? Down. Arrow should be downwards. If it is inverse, arrow will be same direction or opposite direction? Opposite. See, you all are answering everything. Tell me the formula. Head divided by tail. 78 divided by 42. Right hand side, which is head? Which is head? Divided by 1. If I want to find X value, what happens to 140? 140 will get multiplied. This is the question answer. So you try to reduce it. 6 sevens are 42. 6 into 13. 7 ones are 720s. The answer is 260. So how many days? 42 men will take how many days to construct? 260 days. Does it make sense? Number of days are increasing, right? See how quickly you'll have to think, students. Number of days, which side to put the arrow, whether it is inverse or direct. Quickly check the variation, inverse variation or direct variation. Okay, if it is inverse, opposite arrows. If it is direct, arrows will be in the same direction. They have given one inverse question. That was for 2 marks. Actually, they should have given this for 3 marks. It is not that easy. It was a bit tough. Okay, cube volume is not given. Nothing. A fort as. Remember this. We solved this fourth question. Question 10b. 450 soldiers, 40 days. After 10 days question. Remember we solved in direct and inverse variation. 10th main B, students. Look at 10th main B. Similar question you'll have in textbook, right? Your last question. You'll have it in the textbook. Got an idea how they said the test paper? All of you understood? So this was final exam. Lot of chapters are there. Okay, fine. We'll take break. We will continue at 8:05. So all of you will take 10 minutes break. We'll continue at 8:05. Okay, all of you, shall we start the next one? All of you are online. Response students. Next question. Look at the fourth one. You all try the fourth one. See what is given. Percentage is given. SP is given. Mark price. Complete the fourth and fifth one, students. I've done first three questions. Try the fourth and fifth. I'll give 5 minutes time. Complete it. I want all of you all to solve. Alia, Shasha, are you all there online? Ashika. Okay, completed students. Amani, Manak, Mala, Saima, Andrea. Respond. Oh, solve it, students. See what is given. Fourth question. What are the data given? What is the formula? Complete it. Completed or still doing, students? Fourth and fifth? Respond. Fourth and fifth still doing? Yes, only one student has done. What about others? You all want me to solve or skip this student? Done? Okay, if anyone is doing, I'll give time. Look at the fourth one. You all tell me the data after reading the question. Discount percent is how much? 15. A baby suit was sold. If it is sold, you have to take it as SP. Mark price. What is mark price formula when D percent is given? MP is equals to 100 divided by, very good, 100 minus D percent into SP. You can't use MP is equals to SP minus D. How many of you use this, students? Did anyone use it like this? Respond, all of you all. Did anyone use this formula? No, because rupees is not given. It is given in percentage. You can't use D here. You can't write 156 plus 15%. This is wrong. Okay, that's the reason I explained in the beginning. When rupees is given, use rupees formula. Your discount is given in percentage formula. Percentage wise. 100 divided by 100 minus 15 into 1156. 100 divided by 86, 85. How many times it goes? How many times, students? 5, 5 into 17, 5 into 20. Reduce 17 with 1156. 68. It goes 68 times. So what's the answer? 68 into 20. Very good. Rupees, right? Rupees, students. Rupees 1360. All of you all understood how to solve? Respond. Is it clear? Okay. What is given? Discount is given in rupees or percentage? Discount is given in percentage. If they ask you to find discount in rupees, if they ask you to find discount, now which formula we use? Tell me which is the formula which has all these three. Which formula? MP is equals to, very good, SP plus D. In out of these three things, which one we need to find, students? Which one we need to find? D, discount, right? If you want to find discount, what happens to selling price if it goes to the other side? Tell me, mark price minus selling price. What is mark price value? Mark price is 1360. What is selling price? 1156. If you calculate this, you'll get discount value, right? Yeah, they didn't ask in the question. They might ask in the exam, students. Okay, so they've given percentage. They'll ask you to find discount in rupees. That is how you calculate. What about the last question? All of you all completed this last question. Look, how will you identify this? Which word is given, students? Last question. Discount is given. What is discount percentage? Respond. Discount is 13%. What do you need to find here? What do we need to find? Find the mark price. When discount is given, what are the three things we have? MSD, right? Mark price, selling price, and discount. Mark price we need to find. Discount is given. Then what will be this 435? What should be this 435? Very good. It should be selling price. Don't take it as cost price. For discount, we don't use cost price. Okay. A calculator was bought for 435. Even if the word buy is given, students, even if the word buy is given, don't take it as cost price, take it as selling price. 435. Same formula. Mark price is equals to 100 divided by 100 minus D. 60, 87% into 435. How many times it goes? 5 times. Is the answer 500? Response students. Very good. 500 is the answer. So 7C is done. Shall we start 7B? Okay, we'll start 7B concept. Fine. You all tell me, when should I give test? Shall I conduct test tomorrow morning? Shall I send the paper? Take down the test. I'll explain. I'll tell what to study for test. I've done factorization. Okay. And all the 4 exercise students, factorization full chapter tomorrow morning. Only one student. Alia, only one student was, Alia was absent. I've saved the recording, Alia. Yes. Let me check whether I have uploaded the recording. Yeah, I have uploaded the recording. I'll share that in the group. And Alia just skipped. Okay. Don't watch the entire 2 hours. Okay. What is required? Just do that. So whatever is required, just watch that part. If you try to watch the entire thing, you have to waste 2 hours. Fine, that is done. Factorization full. Then what's the other chapter, students? What's the other chapter's name? Direct and inverse. Direct and inverse. Full chapter. Direct and inverse full. Revise that. Next, profit loss discount. Full. Okay. So tomorrow, 10 o'clock, I'll be conducting test. 10 a.m. So today now up to 9 o'clock I'll conduct. After 9, will you all revise all the other chapters? Tomorrow morning I'll conduct test. Fine. 10, it will be for 1.5 hours students. Fine. 10 to 11, 11:30. Then again from 12 to 1, or I will start afternoon. Fine. So the next class will start afternoon 3 p.m. In the next class I'll be teaching you all what is the other 2 chapters left, perimeter and A. Why Amani? Okay, you have to go. We have test day after tomorrow when you're attending concert. Okay. Fine. Anyways, perimeter you know, right? Area perimeter I'll be starting at 3 o'clock, 3 to 4 or 5. After that I'll start simple interest and compound interest, Amani, mostly after 6 o'clock. Okay. So you don't have to solve anything, students. Whatever we are doing now, that is enough. After 9 o'clock, just revise for 1 or 2 hours you will study. Just revise from these topics. Is it clear? Yeah, prepare for tomorrow's test. Okay, along with this, if you want, you can just go through perimeter and area formulas. Perimeter and area. Tomorrow, 3 o'clock, we'll start perimeter area, simple interest and compound interest. Fine. And you are told only one test max. So try to utilize this. After 9 o'clock, revise factorization, direct inverse, profit loss discount. Just keep revising, and even area and perimeter. Okay. If not, I'll do one thing. If you know area and perimeter, for tomorrow's test, I'll add few topics. First, we'll complete this revision part. See, anyhow, you have to study, right? Even if I don't conduct class now, you'll have to prepare for maths. Yeah. And there are so many questions. You won't know what to study. Instead of that, attend now. Till 9 o'clock, I'll conduct. All of you will attend. Okay. Instead of solving all the questions, I'll make also only the important ones. Okay. Look at 7B students. We'll start 7B. One question. First main. Gain is given or gain percent is given? Rupees is given or percentage? Be quick. First main, we'll solve the last one. What is given? Cost price is equals to 26. phi 2. What is gain percent, students? Convert into fraction. 16 threes are 48. 50 by 3%. How do you find selling price? What's the formula to find selling price? SP is equals to 100 plus or minus. Yeah, respond all of you all. 100 plus. What is gain? Yeah. Don't write 3 in the denominator. That is wrong. 3 should be in the numerator itself. You have to take LCM. 50 by 3 divided by 100 into what? Cost price. What is cost price? 265. So when you take LCM, what do you get? See, take it in the working column, students. What's the LCM? 3, right? So you get 300 plus 50. What do you get? 300 plus 50 is 350. Now this 3, what happens to 3? For 350 divided by 3, the 3 goes down, right? Is this calculation clear? All of you understood? Yeah. Try one question, students. Complete this. I'll just solve one or two questions, not everything. Okay, reduce it 5 ones. I'm just going to solve one question. So percentage is given, use percentage formula. 1 0 and 1 0 gets cancelled. 5 sevens are 5 twos are. So 7 divided by 3 twos are 6 into 2652. Yeah, you can reduce using 6 times table or 3 times table. What's the answer, students? Completed? 3094. What about the calculation part? All of you understood LCM part? LCM is done. Calculation is also done. Shall we try the next one? Okay, second main I'm going to skip, students. Do you know how to solve the second one? When formula to use? Cost price formula. Okay, next. Look at this, students. A man sells a bicycle. Remember we solved this when three people are involved? A sells, not a man, sorry. A sells bicycle to whom? A sells it to B. For how much profit? For how much profit does A sell, students? For 20%. What does B do? B sells it to, tell me, B sells it to C for how much percent profit? 5%. If C pays rupees how much, students? C is paying how much? 3,780. How do you solve this question? What did I tell you all? When there are three people involved, always start from the middle person. For B. For B, what is selling price? Be quick, respond all of you all. What will be the selling price for B if it is selling to C? Tell me, what's the selling price for B? 3,780. Is B selling it for profit or loss? Is B selling for profit or loss? Yes, tell me, B is selling it for profit or loss? For profit of 5%. Find the cost price of B, students. What's the formula for cost price? When gain percent or profit percent is given, what's the formula? 100 divided by? I don't know whether it's network issues, or I'm not able to hear, or you all are not answering. What is cost price formula? 100 divided by? Gain or profit, both the meaning are same. You can write 100 plus 5 is 105 into 3780. Right? If you reduce this, whose selling price are we finding, students? Whose selling price we are finding? No, sorry, not B selling price. It is wrong. It is wrong. Correct. No, no, it is correct. Solve this. All of you will solve this. Yeah, what's the cost price? Is it 3,200? Okay, if it is B's cost price, then to whom is B selling, students? Who sold it to B? Who sold it to B? A, right? So this 3,200 will be selling price for whom? This 3,200 will be selling price for A. What gain or profit? Loss or profit? A sold it at profit or loss? At a profit of how much percent? At a profit of 20%. Profit of 20%. So what do we need to find here? What do we need to find, student? What did A pay for it? What do you mean by A pay for it? Cost price or selling price? SP is given, profit percent is given. What do we need to find? Cost price. Yeah, don't write it. Just look at the screen. Did you understand this concept? When three people are involved, all of you will respond. How will you start, students? Start from the middle person, B. For B, calculate cost price. Take that cost price, that will be the selling price for A. Use the same formula, find the cost price for A. Okay, fine. Nobody is responding. What about other questions? If you're not responding, fine. Will you revise it on your own? All of you all, will you revise all the other questions? Tell me, students. 7A, 7B, will you all revise? All of you all have the notes with you all? Okay, I'll revise. See, nobody is responding, so I'll end the class. Take down the timings. Tomorrow's timing, I'll conduct the test. So you'll revise. Revise it on your own. We'll continue tomorrow. What time you'll have to attend tomorrow? Log in at 10 o'clock. Attend at 10. I'll be conducting these three: factorization, direct inverse, profit loss discount. Okay. Area perimeter, simple interest and compound interest. Go through at 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock you'll attend. We'll start this. Okay, that's it for today. You all can leave, students. Log in at 10 o'clock tomorrow. All of you can leave.